Here for this problem, we're going to be asked to turn 36 feet per second into miles per hour. So what we start off with is we start off with a fraction using 36 feet per second. 36 is the same thing as 36 over 1. But we're going to put feet over seconds. And the idea of what we're going to do is this is what's given to us. We always start with what's given. But we're going to keep multiplying this fraction by other fractions that are, it's general knowledge, it's basic stuff, and we're going to do that so that we cancel out other units of measurement such as feet and seconds in order to get to miles per hour. So let's focus on miles first. So I'm going to multiply this fraction. On the top I have feet. I want to change that to miles, so in order to get rid of feet on the top, I have to multiply with a fraction that has feet on the bottom. That way the feet can cross cancel. So the next thing is, can I convert feet to miles? And I absolutely can. In 1 mile, there's 5,280 feet. So here's what happens with that. The feet cancel out. We're going to leave the numbers alone for now, though. We're going to leave the numbers alone for now. So I have miles. I'm good. I'm going to go ahead and focus on the seconds. I need to convert seconds to hours. So if I have seconds on the bottom, in order to cross cancel, I have to multiply by a fraction that has seconds on the top. I can't go straight from seconds to hours. Some people can, but I'm going to go ahead and go step by step. I can go from seconds to minutes, though. So how many seconds are in a minute? I know there's 60 seconds in 1 minute. So by using cross cancellation, the seconds cancel out, and I'm left over with minutes here on the bottom. That's great. It's really good. However, I don't want minutes. I want hours. So I'm going to write one more fraction. Since minutes is on the bottom, I need it to cross cancel, so I'm going to put it on the top of the next fraction. I do know that we have 60 minutes in 1 hour, so I can use that to cross cancel minutes. So now I have miles over here over hours over here, so I'm good. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply. I'm going to go ahead and do this in purple. I'm going to multiply all the numbers in the top, because whenever you multiply fractions, you multiply the top numbers and you multiply the bottom numbers. So when I multiply all the top numbers, I have 36 times 60 times 60. And that's going to give me a really big number. That gets me 129,600. And the only unit of measurement on top, since all three of these canceled out, the only unit of measurement left is miles. It's still in a fraction. Now I'm going to multiply all the numbers on the bottom. See, we only have ones on the bottom, so the number on the bottom is 5,280. All the units of measurement on the bottom are gone. They were crossed out in red except for hours, so hours goes on the bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and divide these two numbers to figure out what my final answer is. So I'm typing it in my calculator now, 129,600 divided by 5,280. And that's going to get me approximately 24.5 miles per hour.